the Talaku Rishi sect of the Karen people. Entering the bamboo village is like stepping into a world of a lost tribe. Completely unique in Thailand, and barely known even in Burma. They worship a hermit, a divine Rishi, and also an image of the Lord Buddha carved into ivory tusks. They eat wild animal meat and tie their hair into a definitive top knot. Our two riders explain their views on making this journey to such a sacred place.
Well, this is the place where the Korean clan comes to worship and pray every Friday. Well, basically in this Karen village, they have three religions. The animists, we call them, but here they call, in Karen language, they call it Lati. They would come and pray on the elephant tusk that you can see behind us. In that hut over there, you could actually see two pairs of elephant tusks, one of which is really a landmark and significant, which is one of the reasons why we came here to see it. According to the villagers here, it's more than 400 years old. It could be 500 or 600 years old.
I have a great sense of accomplishment coming here. I've been dreaming for 2 years to come here, and I actually can't believe it. I'm here right now. So I wanted to find out more about this particular sect of people, their culture, and these elephant ivory tusks. These people have a unique culture from what I understand. They've been migrating from Burma. There are not many of them, and they are kind of endangered species in their own right. There's absolutely no easy access to this place. It's very treacherous road, very steep. You don't see any tourists here. Far corner of the country, we are basically only a couple of kilometers from Burmese border. This was the steepest off-road section that I have ever seen or ridden on.
If you have watched Indiana Jones, it's probably those paths that you go through.
There are a couple of sections there that I thought we were just gonna end up in a ravine. It is so tight, it's powdery sand. I cannot imagine how bad it is during the raining season, so I think we picked the perfect time of the year to come. But my advice to anyone interested in this kind of culture, this kind of people, to find out more, please do come check it out. But keep in mind, it is very, very, very difficult access, regardless you're coming with a four-wheel drive or any other mode of transportation.
The most important tradition is to offer a torch of fire in December once a year to pay homage to the revered hermit master.